Hi guys, in this video I will be answering the question, does the Redmi Note 15 Pro support eSIM? And quickly the answer is yes and no. So basically there are two versions of the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Over here I do have the 4G version. So there is actually the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, and then there is also the Redmi Note 15 Pro without any indication, which is actually the 4G version, and that is the one I have over here. So this particular version of the Redmi Note 15 Pro does not support eSIM, particularly because it is the 4G version, but there is actually the one that says Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, and that particular one supports eSIM. So you can go ahead and activate your eSIM. For this one, if I go over to the settings and then to the mobile network settings, you can see that there is no eSIM option over here. So the answer is both yes and no, depending on the version of the Redmi Note 15 Pro you have. If you have the 5G version, then you have eSIM support, but then for the 4G version like this one, you do not have eSIM support. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and like this video, guys.